Hi, welcome to Beacon House's Hybrid Homeschool Lesson 1, Seasons of Change. Today we'll be learning about leaves and why they change color. So why do leaves change color in the fall? Let's explore. Well, first of all, did you know that they are yellow, orange, and red all year round as well as green? So why can't we see it? The answer is simple. In the summer, trees make lots of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is how trees get their food. The green color is called pigment. This is the strongest color that we see. So in spring and summer, this is what we see. We can't see the yellow and red because it's covered up by the green pigment, which is the strongest. But as winter comes and trees begin to drop their leaves, they make less and less chlorophyll. The chlorophyll begins to break down, and soon you see all kinds of colors like yellow, orange, and even sometimes red. Trees do this because they know that they will not be able to survive the harsh winter. The trees that drop their leaves and change color are called Thysidious trees. Thysidious trees will always change color come fall. There are also evergreen trees, and they stay green all year round and do not change their color or lose their leaves. So, a really neat activity that can go with this to show chlorophyll is to make our own chlorophyll rubbing with leaves. So, what you would need is any type of leaf that is still green. You can find them on a bush, or even spinach leaves will work. So, what you do is we're going to make our own spinach leaf rubbing. So we take our tree, we have a paper, do a little picture of a tree with branches, and you can write my chlorophyll rubbing at the bottom if you want, but you don't have to. So you take your leaf and you're going to rub it on the paper nice and hard. Don't worry about the leaf ripping. What you see when you rub is the chlorophyll coming out of the leaf. So I'm going to rub nice and hard. And as you can see, it's starting to come off onto the paper just a little bit. That is the chlorophyll on the leaf. Now these leaves have not yet begun to change color. I found these on a bush outside and they were still moist. So as you rub, you can see the chlorophyll coming out in them. So you might need several leaves. One leaf might not do it. But as you rub, you will see the chlorophyll coming out. The pigment is still green, which means this tree or bush has not yet stopped producing new chlorophyll. So new chlorophyll is still being produced. Once it stops producing new chlorophyll, it will begin to change colors, and you will begin to see the red, the yellow, and the orange. But for now, it is still producing pigment of green and new chlorophyll to feed the tree. So as we continue with our rubbing, getting nice and green. And don't worry if the leaves get ripped up, it's fine. You can always pick more. And if you cannot find any leaves on trees, you can always get spinach leaves and it should work just as well, as long as you can get chlorophyll out of it. So here I have my leaf rubbing. You can see the chlorophyll that has come out of the leaves from when I rubbed. I'm going to do just a little bit more darken it in. And then once you're done rubbing your leaf, you can even color the trunk of your tree brown if you wish. And there we have our chlorophyll leaf rubbing. Thank you for joining me today for a lesson on leaves. See you next time. Bye.